Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is the last day of school, and I thought I'd take a moment just to say thanks. So let's get cracking. Alright friends, so first things first, I want to thank all the students I've ever had. This was my 31st year of teaching middle school. I go all the way back to the early 1990s in Cheboygan, Michigan, and then I've also taught here at West Ottawa since about 1994. I have worked with so many amazing youngsters throughout the years, and I just want to take a moment to say thank you. I also want to give a huge shout out and a thanks to all of you users that are on YouTube. 28,000 subscribers I saw today. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Thank you all for coming aboard. Thank you for all the interaction you give me with my channel. If you've ever got questions or comments, please leave them down below. Let me know where you're at. If you've been with me for the whole long journey, I appreciate that. If you're just joining today, that is epic as well. My goal is always to create clear, concise lessons that let you gain a skill, have some fun, and then I also welcome you sharing back all the cool things you're learning, because the more that we learn, the more that we grow, the better the world becomes. If you're ever trying to track me down, don't forget you can always find me at HLModTech. I'm there on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also track me down at HLTinkerCAD on Twitter. Lastly, if you visit the HLModTech website, I try to keep the content a little more curated there. You can check out all the amazing things I have, and then also, if you ever want to reach out, if you hit that messaging app, you can reach me almost instantly. Alrighty friends, so thank you all for being part of the channel, and last but not least, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.